Ah, the egg. Versatility at its finest. Look how creamy these eggs are. No cream, no milk, just a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, and a little bit of this, but not too much. It's clean, it's cold. Now that's what I call high quality H2O. Hey everyone, Mark here, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know, we all love scrambled eggs, but we tend not to make them at home or order them at restaurants because usually they're overcooked and they're rubbery, and we don't like that, right? But if you do, no worries, you like what you like, and that's all that matters. And after teaching my friend Paulie,
hey guys,
he told me he was never gonna make eggs any other way, so it got me thinking. Put a poll up on Instagram asking everyone, wanna know how to make slow scrambled eggs? Let's just say it was a big yes. Got me thinking, gotta make a video, right? Let's go. Now this is my technique on slow scrambled eggs. There are plenty out there, plenty of beliefs and debates, but this is my way. So let's just grab a bowl and crack some eggs. I'm making a bit of a larger batch for this video, but if you want an individual portion, I would go with maybe 2 to 3 eggs for a good slow scramble. All right, so the salt debate. Pre-salting, adding salt after is just that, a debate. It makes no difference. And if Harold McGee says so, I go with it. The guy's a genius. I'm also gonna suggest his cookbook. It's a cookbook pantry staple. So I'm adding salt before and a splash of water, which I believe helps loosen the eggs while cooking because of all the water content in your pan. Whisk away until you don't see any more whites. As for pan sizes, I say the bigger the batch, the bigger the pan. I prefer a small pot. I like the heat distribution on the sides, and I just feel like it just helps give me more control, and it cooks the eggs more evenly. So on low heat, in your pot, add a couple knobs of butter. No need to wait for the butter to melt, just add your eggs and start stirring. So in the beginning, you might be able to walk away and do something else, but as that pot or pan starts to heat up, your full attention needs to be on those eggs. So for this recipe, we want small curds. If we let the eggs set and we move, we're gonna create larger curds. That's why we continuously keep the eggs moving to keep the curds small. And yes, it might take a while, probably about close to 10 minutes. So maybe just put on some music and just move around, just like your eggs. Why the low heat? It'll cook the eggs at a slower rate, which means less water evaporation. And in turn, you get nice soft eggs. And that's why I add a splash of water, because it'll prolong the process and there's less chance of them up. If it was high heat, the isolated proteins in the eggs would cook faster, which means the eggs will go from liquid to solid really quickly while evaporating lots of water. And in turn, that's how usually we get rubbery and overcooked eggs. Also, no need for cream or milk. These eggs are creamy enough. If you want to be fancy, a la Gordon Ramsay, go ahead and add some creme fraiche just at the end. As the eggs start to cook, this is when you're gonna have to manage the heat. You might have to take the pot or pan off the heat, stir for a little bit, and then put it back on the heat and keep stirring. You're gonna have to do this probably throughout the cooking process. Now towards the end, this is where your judgment comes into play, and maybe through trial and error, you'll get better at it, but this is crucial. Remember, the eggs are gonna continue to cook as soon as you take the pot or pan off the heat source. Plus, when you take the eggs out of the pot or pan, they're gonna continue to cook a little bit more. This is where an extra splash of water can help save you. But this is gonna come down to your judgment and figuring out that little sweet spot of when to take the eggs off. So it looks like we're done here. I'm gonna add some chives just because I'm fancy like that. But you can add whatever you like. You can even finish it with some freshly cracked pepper and some extra chives on top. You can either eat as is or make whatever you want. Grab yourself a toasted croissant, nice slice of prosciutto, add those eggs on top, extra garnish of chives. Whew. Go ahead, grab yourself a toasted brioche bun, add some American cheese. Yes, good old processed American cheese. There's a time and place for it, and this is it. Add your eggs, some extra chives, you're good to go. So as you can see, once you learn the technique of the slow scramble, you can put whatever you want in it, make whatever you want. Now it's time for creamy, luxurious. I love it. I hope everyone gives this a go. And as always, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao. It's clean. It's cold. Now that's what I call quality.